Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. So let's get started. So this package came all the way from Australia. I ordered this a few weeks ago. Got a good deal on it too. I paid $318 in Australian currency. If you convert it to US currency, is actually $259, which is a pretty much a good deal on this. And as soon as I bought the model, I checked the website again and it was out of stock. So apparently this might be the last one that was in stock. So sorry if you didn't get a chance to get it since I bought the last one. Alright. Take this paper off. Oh, private information. Invoice. And the currency is the total cost of everything. It's shipping and the price of the model too. So, alright. This is where I got it from. Absolute Toys and Collectibles. Get out the way. This is the re-released version of it. Oh, alright. Let's get this out of the box. If I get the foam off the box. Here it is. Oh man. Let's see how can I take this without damaging the model. Holy cow, this is heavy. Oh. Uh-oh. This is gnarly. There's a lot of weight to it. Put you over here. Take out the boom. This is the high-rise boom. So I have to confirm this is the re-release version because the box is different. The original box is different. Let's see here. This is the stands for the booms. Looks like I can't get that one out. Side. So yeah. There it is, folks. It is the Case CX800 high reach demolition. And hope you guys enjoy the unboxing video. I will see you guys next time.